Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide posts from friends on Facebook. So first, go to your profile picture, tap the profile picture right here, and you are now on your profile page. Now, if you want to hide this post from your friends, you need to tap on the three dots on the top right of your post. So you just tap this one and then tap on Edit Post. And then right here, you can see the option below your profile name. You need to tap on that, as you can see right here. Here you can select whom do you want to see your post. You can select these friends, or you can select these friends accept. So you can choose right here an account that you don't want to see your post. Or you can also choose these specific friends right here. So you just choose any account that you want, or any friends that you only want to see your friends in the future. Or you just go to only me option, so anyone on your Facebook account will not see your post. And if you want to create a post on your Facebook, for example, you go back to your homepage and then go to these what's on your mind, and you will see a message automatically pops up on your screen saying default audience. So you can choose right here if you want to see your post on your friends, or you can select these friends accept. So you just select a friends that you don't want to see your post, or go to specific friends right here. And the best is you just choose only me, so no one will see your post on Facebook. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.